Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 1998, Mulan had its premiere at the Hollywood Bowl in Los Angeles. The movie was produced on special DTS 70mm film, printed lighter to account for ambient light at the Hollywood Bowl. It was projected on an 85-foot screen that rose from the floor. Because the audience's distance from the screen varied widely, the sound had to be split into regions to synchronize correctly. There was a sound delay of 3 frames between the front and the back rows. Pretty crazy, huh? I would love to have been there. How about you? Anyway, have a magical day.